It's me again. Yeah, my phone's a little crooked. So, yeah, what I'm doing basically is I'm doing all kinds of things at the same time. But anyway, I decided to do something different this week. Uh, I have a shitload of these things. All the little cut off ends. They're all the little bars. Well, I have I don't know like a whole pile of them. They're all half-inch rods. I have probably 30 more feet of this crap. I actually bought this about 15 years ago. People are like, oh my god, we're doing all this rods. But anyway, I'm going to show you my bench because I'm going to make. This is what I want to make. I don't know if you can see this. I can't really tell. There's a there's a pattern right here. Basically, this is a is an Iroquois flag. If you look up Hiawatha belt on YouTube, you'll find basically drawn. It's originally a wampum belt, but it's on bumper stickers and everywhere else these days. It's a traditional Haudenosaunee symbol. But what I want to do is I want to take. I don't know if you can see the lines in here, but I'll draw them a little bright. I want to make this out of all of these lines here out of half-inch rods and tack weld them all together. And then this goes here. See, it's like a dry eraser board here. But all of these lines, I figured I'd draw it out to scale and get kind of a measurement. And then what I want to do is I want to see if I can bend the rod to go all the way this way, all the way around, and jack it into here, so it holds it all together. Then after, seeing as this is like a big piece of half-inch rod, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to put a little hook here, a little hook here, a little hook here, maybe one here, one here, one here, one here, and have this big giant like heavy wall hanging. And I'm going to put little hooks to hang, maybe a coat hook. I think it would look cool. Traditionally, this part right here, is that one? Yeah, it's white and purple. They're originally made of quahog beads, and it's a big giant belt, and I think there's like over 1,000 beads in it. But it's the oldest living constitution in the world. Well, now I'm going to make it out of iron rods. So that's my plan anyway. Somebody's plowing drivers outside. So yeah, inch of snow on the ground there. I'll plow driveways. I don't get it. Shit's gonna melt. But anyway, yeah. So I drew a rough drawing. I figured like 3 inches inside will give me a decent like place to start from. So see if I don't know, maybe like it'll actually look like a decent size. And then I'll basically, once I know the dimensions, I'll draw them down. I don't use AutoCAD. I don't use whatever the hell people use. I just use old school and chop it up. Plus, I don't like sitting at a computer anymore. Worked in my father's computer store for, I don't know, 10, 12 years. Worked on computers. It's nice to just do things hands-on, old school, even though old school is becoming obsolete. So yeah, that's my plan. Next video, I'll have it all chopped up for you. So anyway, hope you enjoy my little plan, and I'll basically make another video and showing how it's coming along.